Welcome to this Delph Stack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Call of Duty Black Ops 6 error code 0xFFFFFFE, also known as the game has crashed error. Whether you're seeing this issue while updating the game on the Xbox app, or the game keeps crashing on launch, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know to fix it quickly and safely. First, open the Start menu on your PC and click on Settings. Once you're there, go to Apps, then open the Installed Apps section. Scroll down and locate Call of Duty in the list. When you find it, click on the three-dot menu next to it and select Advanced Options. Make sure to follow along carefully here so you don't miss anything important. Next, scroll down until you see the Reset section. You'll notice two options here that help fix crashing and update-related issues. Start by clicking on Repair. This option will attempt to fix the game without affecting your data, so it's the safest place to begin. Wait for the repair process to finish, then try launching or updating Black Ops 6 again to see if the error is gone. If the game is still crashing or showing error code 0xFFFFFFE, go back to the same Advanced Options page. This time, click on Reset. Keep in mind that resetting will delete the app's local data, including preferences and sign-in details, so make sure you're signed into the correct Xbox account afterward. Click Reset again to confirm and wait for the process to complete. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure the Xbox app is fully updated, your Windows system is up to date, and you have a stable internet connection. Doing this beforehand can save time and help prevent the same crash from happening again. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to fix Call of Duty Black Ops 6 error code 0xFFFFFFE without any hassle. Thanks for watching this Delph Stack tutorial video. If you found this helpful, feel free to share it with someone who might need it. Why not make their day a little easier?